Good morning, I'm Steven. We're on the Carnival Radiance here in 1205 and Corey's room. We're gonna go ahead and tour this, an inside cabin that is not an inside cabin, it's an interior upper lower with a porthole view. Very confusing, but there's not that many videos about it, so that's why we're gonna talk about it here today. As we step inside, we have Corey and the bathroom. It's a very tight squeeze over here. Look at the shower, pretty standard Carnival shower with your shower gel, shampoo. It's a decent height. Corey, can I get you squeezing in here to see if it fits, if you fit? Corey is way taller than me and way bigger, and that shower height...
You spray me right in the face, but yeah. I mean,
it fits.
It's better than most hotel showers.
That's true.
As far as height goes.
Then we have your standard bathroom fare, your toilet paper, which honestly looks like it needs to be filled. You have your towels, you have your sink, a nice mirror, a little shelving for storage, and a trash can down below. Then off on the right we have our closet space, which is a pretty decent sized closet. It is split into two. You have hangers that are hooked in. You can't steal the hangers. Kudos to Carnival for making sure people don't steal their hangers. And then there's of course another one on this side as well. Then back over here we have your life jackets and a safe that needs a card to lock and unlock it. This is kind of weird, not something that we're normally used to, but hey, I guess if you want to lock your credit card away, you cannot do that. Unfortunate. But we get to the main part of the cabin, and that is Corey. Below is a couch, above is a bunk bed that pulls down. I guess they leave it down for you the entire time. I mean, there's still enough space for Corey to sit down nice and comfortably. A little bit of table right there. They have some waters for an extra charge. There's a phone. There's only one glass? That's kind of weird. A few documents that's important. A mirror. Hi, me. TV. And cabinets to store stuff down here as well. And a little nightstand over there for you. Then the bed. So the interesting thing about this, unlike other cabins on board this ship, there is not a queen bed where it will combine. There's only one regular bed and one bunk bed. That's it. So this cabin's for only two people. That's all that you could do. There's no queen bed. So if you're a couple, do not take this cabin because you will not be sleeping together.
Good friend room.
Good friend room though. Then the main attraction, of course, is the view outside. Of course, we're on deck one. We're quite low, but honestly, it's not too bad. You are going to get a little bit of a distorted view because there's quite a bit of distance from this glass to the actual outside. But if you wanted to, you could close these for full darkness. The only issue is you have to kind of do this thing, which we haven't quite figured out how the mechanism works.
I mean, I know how the mechanism works. I just got lazy and gave up.
Oh, I don't know how the mechanism
It's a lot of you unscrew them, you slide them into the slot, and you screw them shut tight.
There's only 8 cabins of these, so if you are interested in it, there's only 8 of them. I don't know if it necessarily goes quick. If you're in this cabin category, which it's right here, that's the category that it is, then book it. It's a unique cabin, only 8 of them. There's less of these than there are suites, so it's a very rare room. It's different. You get a porthole view for the price of an interior typically, because that's what he paid. Mm-hmm. He paid the same price as an inside cabin, but
I got windows.
He has windows.
Tiny windows, but windows. I'll update you on the sound and whatever being this low, this far forward in this type of room. What do you think? We do a little magic and do it now? So, the next day, okay night sleep in here. Not because of the room, but for other extenuating circumstances. So here's my review of the room. 1, no engine noise whatsoever. Couldn't even. 2, no real noise from outside. Hit no water hitting the hull of the ship or anything. Like, if you stick your head towards the portholes, you can hear it. But once you're away from the portholes, you don't hear anything. It is so deafeningly quiet down here. Like last night, after I'd say 10 o'clock, no hallway noise whatsoever because we're so far forward. There's only a couple of, 3 rooms that have to walk anywhere near a door. As far as motion goes, if you pay attention to it, you feel it, but I can't say without having experienced anywhere else on the ship, this being my first cruise, if it's better or worse up here, but definitely something that didn't bother me at all.
We definitely did have calmer waters on this one too, so there is that.
I give it probably an 8 out of 10. I wish the bed was a little bit bigger, but that's just me. 6'3", 300-pound guy doesn't fit very well in a twin bed.
That's true, but I guess the bed's small no matter where you are on the ship,
true.
so...
That's true. It's a cruise bed is a cruise bed, unless I guess you're in a suite or something.
Yeah, I mean, even then, it's still a cruise bed regardless. But, anywho, thank you for watching this room tour. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to see the full actual series that's happening, please check it out right here. And as always, this isn't a goodbye, but just a see you real soon.